Has the secret to ageless beauty been hiding in your kitchen all along? Imagine a single ingredient, a golden spice, steeped in centuries of use, that could unlock a world of beauty benefits. That ingredient is turmeric, and its superpowers are no myth. Let's delve into the incredible ways turmeric can transform your beauty routine. First on the list is the anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric. Thanks to the compound curcumin, turmeric helps to soothe redness and irritation, bringing relief to conditions like psoriasis and eczema. It's like a calming balm for your skin. Next, turmeric brings a heavy dose of antioxidant power. These antioxidants wage war on free radicals, the culprits behind wrinkles and pigmentation. This means turmeric helps to safeguard your skin's elasticity and maintain that youthful glow. But the magic doesn't stop there. Turmeric also has a brightening effect on the skin. It helps to lighten hyperpigmentation and even out skin tone, giving your skin a vibrant, youthful appearance. And for those battling with acne, turmeric comes to the rescue with its antibacterial properties. It helps to reduce bacteria, calm inflammation, and ward off acne breakouts. Turmeric's antiseptic qualities also aid in wound healing. It accelerates the healing process of cuts and wounds and reduces scarring, leaving your skin smoother and healthier. But the benefits of turmeric aren't just skin deep. When ingested, turmeric's curcumin has been linked to improved digestion, reduced arthritis symptoms, and better heart health due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. A healthy inside often reflects as radiant beauty on the outside. So why not start incorporating turmeric into your daily routine? It's a small change that could bring big benefits for your skin and hair, giving you that ageless beauty you've been seeking. Thanks for tuning in to this journey through the wonders of turmeric. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into natural beauty powerhouses.